Hi, I'm Rob Zip, and I am in the southwest side of Houston at Tacos A Go Go. But I'm not here for tacos. I'm here for to-go fajitas. They have another concept here called Fajitas A Go Go, and apparently they're hiring too. So let's go inside and watch Rob eat on the most epic adventures. They're open for tacos. Look at all of these prizes they've won. Congratulations, guys. It just keeps going. Best of Houston, best of Houston, best of Houston. Breakfast tacos, legendary. This is where the magic is happening. They got the shrimp with all the, look at that, the chicken, the beef, the sausage. You've got the plate with the zucchinis and the squash right there. Oh my goodness, somebody is going to have a fantastic meal. Fresh homemade tortillas daily. There's the corn.
Flour tortillas, we have it over there.
Oh yeah, there's a whole. I'm in the kitchen. I feel like I'm in the way. I'm scared. I don't want. He's got a huge knife. I don't want to be anywhere close to this guy. Yeah, look at the tortillas just coming through the machine. The little dough balls just going right through there. Oh man, I love like automated systems like that. Yeah, here they come out. Oh, it smells so good. There's nothing better than fresh tortillas. Nothing better. Even the garlic, fresh roasted garlic, perfect. He's loading up a to-go platter right here for the Fajitas A Go Go. They've got all the shrimp and they've got the onions on the bottom. Magic. All right, I made a loaded taco with all the meats and vegetables, everything on here with the corn tortilla. There's some salsa. Let's add some salsa to it. All right, so the beef is a sirloin flap. I've got all of this stuff on one taco here. This is the half royale platter. Mmm. This is, I mean, you can't get better food than this delivered, let alone just fajitas. These aren't just fajitas. These are fajitas plus. Oh my goodness.
So the half pack is 62.
So this feeds 6 to 8 people, I mean, easily, and it is $62 delivered, right? That is a fantastic deal. That's less than $10 a person for top quality, made fresh ingredients. And they even serve butter with it. I mean, that is unbelievable. What a deal. All right, I'm gonna try some of these aqua frescas. This one is the Jamaica, right?
Jamaica, correct.
Jamaica. I don't know if you can see the like purplish hue there. It's pretty tasty. And then we've got a watermelon. Oh my gosh, that tastes just like taking a bite out of a watermelon. And this is like a honeydew or a cantaloupe?
Yes, honeydew.
Honeydew flavor. Again, it's like taking a bite of a honeydew. And then this is my mom's favorite, the horchata. Oh, this is a dessert right here. So one thing, Tacos A Go Go has some locations. One is by the Continental Club, I've been to several times. One is on White Oak, I've been to several times. What are the other locations?
TC Jester.
Okay, on the northwest side of town.
And then there's one in the downtown tunnels.
In the tunnels.
One tunnel.
All the stuff in the tunnels, it's like secret. You have to know. But this one, there are a lot of apartments in this area, but the big thing in this area is Lakewood Church. Lakewood Church is right around the corner. It used to be the Summit. I saw the Rockets win championships there. I saw 9 Inch Nails play there Halloween 1994. But now it's Lakewood Church, and there are 20,000 people that go there every Sunday. Or they do 2 services, right? So like 40,000 people. So people come from all over town to go to Lakewood Church. So if you're in the area going to church and you're hungry, and you want to take some great food home with you, go to fajitasagogo.com and you can get it. You can pick it up and take it back with you. And I guarantee you, this Royale, this is a half Royale platter for $62 feeds 6 to 8 people. That's such a good deal, and especially for such high quality ingredients. You cannot do any better going to any other place. And there are a lot of Tex-Mex places in Houston, but there's no place that's going to give you such high quality at such a good price. And I mean, everything's the bomb. It is killer. Oh my goodness. All right, guys, I've got to go make a delivery, but thanks for coming with me to pick up some stuff from Fajitas A Go Go. And man, if you're in this area, you definitely need to pick it up or get it delivered. I'm gonna go deliver this now. So thanks for coming with me on the most epic adventures.